You, living without an oven, regardless of the situation, truly hinders the kind of food you can cook. While you can prepare quite a lot in a crockpot, even lasagna, you can use it to make toast or broil meats and fishes. Enter the DeLonghi Livenza mini convection oven. It has the power of a standard oven, heats up quickly, and occupies about as much space on a counter as a mid-size microwave. Whether you are looking for a compact oven for an efficiency apartment or going through a kitchen remodel and want to make everything in a microwave, the DeLonghi Livenza will have you cooking delicious meals with ease. At just under $300, the oven is a bit on the spendy side, but it really is an impressive performer. The DeLonghi Livenza looks more like an oversized toaster than an oven. And that's not a bad thing. There's a bit of playfulness in the oven's design, with its large blue display and 3 knobs for adjusting a variety of settings. Yet the stainless steel finish adds a splash of sophistication. Essentially, the DeLonghi Livenza looks fun to use and it lives up to its appearance. DeLonghi Livenza looks fun to use and it lives up to its appearance. Measuring 12 x 717, 5 x 719 HLW inches and weighing just 11.5 pounds. The oven is fairly compact and extremely easy to move, while the manual says it shouldn't be flush against the wall. DeLonghi says it's setting up the oven could be easier. As you might imagine, simply take it out of the box, insert the crumb tray, and plug it in. It takes a couple of minutes at most. Don't plan to cook anything in it immediately. However, you'll want to run the oven empty for 30 minutes in convection mode at 450 degrees to remove any residual protective substances. Intriguing. The DeLonghi comes with a 13-inch pizza pan, 2 wire racks, and a bake pan. There are also 4 grooves inside both sides of the oven so that you can slide the trays into a variety of configurations. The oven is still fairly small, however, so don't expect all of your cookware to fit inside or to cook a 14-pound turkey in it. Turn on the oven and you'll immediately see all that it does. There are 8 functions: toast, bake, convection, broil, grill, defrost, pizza, cookies, and